reciprocate.
Under 3 minutes to play now in this first quarter. Ilyasova, long rebound to Williams. Up the floor, Teletovic. The jam in transition. The Nets.
And then Teletovic, find your spot, big fella. Doesn't always have to be from behind the three.
Nets shooting 60% from the field. They've got a 12-point lead. Teletovic, the lob, and slam! Mason Plumlee climbs the amount. Under 2 minutes to go in the first. Ridnour gets into some trouble. Butler, shot clock winding down. It's blocked by Teletovic. The effort and energy have been there so far for Brooklyn.
Gonna do, you can't stop short.
Here's Pierce. Find the open man. Livingston, the extra feed. Teletovic pulls the trigger and hits a three. Empty three for the Nets.
It's like every coach says, I do not like that pass unless the shot is made.
That's the no, yes. 5 of 5 from three-point territory for Brooklyn. Walters got caught with nowhere to go. Livingston intercepts, takes it all the way. Same spot, Teletovic.
The paint right now is really hurting the Bucks, and they want to talk about it, but great recognition twice now by Livingston. Teletovic stopping short. Why not get that extra point? And really Brooklyn understanding where they're at right now on the floor at all times. And then just take a look. You love this. Ball movement. Swing it. Guy open there. Swing it. Now the next one again. Run the floor. Your point guards will find you. Nets.
Point lead for the Nets. Just over a minute gone by in the fourth. Jason Terry really got the Nets going in the third. Teletovic. It's a three. Mirza Teletovic from long range.
For him, basic pick and roll, and then just throw it anywhere. Let him go catch and get it. And then here, if their hands are down, you got to run out and shoot it. Caron Butler's got to know better. He's a shooter himself from out there. But Teletovic says everyone talked about scoring. But the other part of it that they're getting tonight, as you see, Mirza Teletovic knocked down another three. You know, the other part of it,
11 of them. And Milwaukee has cashed in for 13 second chance points. Ball movement. Teletovic. He banks it in. He's been a difference maker off the bench. 61% from the field. Teletovic using the Evans screen. Teletovic, the jumper. Bottom. It's a three. Mirza Teletovic from downtown.
What a luxury.
The official that it was off Milwaukee, but it just came off the rim.
I love it. Look at that. Walked right into it, off the dribble.